Got my pins in it. Got my hair did. Yep. So you need to go check that video out. It should be coming out in the next couple of days. So yeah. So what I had for dinner, for breakfast today is, voila, fish, hake fish, bacon, and pancakes. Do you see that? Do you see what your girl is cooking over here? Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna just talk a little bit about this here fish. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up for you. See this fish here? This fish is delicious with some taters. Yes. So this is hake fish, also known as a type of codfish, also known as saltfish. This is a fish that my family that I grew up eating, my grandma used to make it. And I got some Gatorade today, guys. I'm thirsty. I need my electrolytes up. It's early. Okay, so my grandma used to make this fish growing up, and I used to love it. She's since passed on, but we still eat it. So anytime that my mom or my aunt and my uncle goes to Virginia, where they are from, they bring some back and we freeze it and cook it when we ready to eat it. So this particular piece of fish, the kids and the hubby, they don't care so much for it, but I love it. So this is a real salty fish. We have to soak this fish overnight. I have to soak it overnight to try to get the salt out of it. Or if it's still a little bit salty, next time I'll soak it a little more. So I'm just going to sit here and mash my potatoes out a little bit. And what we traditionally do is right here, I got some bacon grease. Pour a little bit of that on the fish and the potatoes. And voila, it's time to get popping. Time to get it popping. So I'm going to just break some of this up. Nice, good little piece. Oh, I see some bones is in here. Bones, bones. Don't want to eat them. I didn't realize there was bones in it. Oh well. I gotta pick them out. Nobody want a bone. You know, a bone can ruin your whole bite. If you get a bone in your mouth, you gotta take all your food out to get to the bone or fish through it. Which is a headache. Okay. So I'm a sandwich kind of girl, so I'm gonna make this like a sandwich. I do have syrup, but for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and make this a hake fish sandwich. Yeah. So I'm gonna take it, put some more of that in there. I need some more smashed up potato, and I'm gonna roll this up. And I am going to commence to eating it. Yeah. This is good. I love to make everything a sandwich. The fish is so flavorful. I really don't need syrup. So I hope you guys had a good weekend. I surely did. I didn't do much. I nonetheless enjoyed myself. Yeah. This is good. Again, this is hake fish. That's what we call it. Some people call it saltfish. Some people also call it a type of cod. I'm not sure what it really is. I just know I like it. And probably, maybe in the beginning of the video, I'll show you guys how it looks before it's cooked. So guys, this is heavy, okay? You don't need a lot at all. You just don't need a lot. I hate bones. I hate bones. Okay. Delicious bacon. This is not going to be a long video, guys. I'm already getting full. So I'm just going to take a half of this pancake. Oh, look at that. Just making sure that with no bone. This puppy over here staring at me. I already gave him some bacon and pancake. But it's good. He always want more. Like I said, guys, this video is gonna be short. I'm already maxed out. I can't eat it now. Pancake. I'll have the rest of this for breakfast tomorrow. See? Only had one piece of bacon. I can't do it. I'm not even gonna try. And I was thirsty. I had to drink something. So again, guys, this is HAKE fish, bacon, potatoes, and pancakes. Delicious. I can't stand myself until my teeth are driving crazy. Excuse me. Excuse me. 2 questions, guys. What are you guys doing for Halloween? And there was something else I forgot. What are you guys doing for Halloween? And how long can you go without eating bacon, pork bacon? If you eat it at all. How many pieces of bacon can you eat? I only can do 4 pieces of bacon because it'll give me a headache. That's my limit. I don't go above that at all. So I hate to make this video so short, but until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Next time you see me, my hair is gonna be all done up. My side is gonna be shaved. I'm ready to go out. And I don't know, I might even put some makeup on. Probably not. But again, happy Monday. Enjoy your week. And I will see you in the next video. But remember, before we go, excuse me, don't forget to like, subscribe if you hadn't already. And if you have, welcome. Share this video with any and everybody you know. Let them know what your girl is doing so I can get up to that 500 mark, guys. I'm trying to get to 500. I'm going to keep saying it in every video. I need you to help me. Let me get there. I want to get to 500 subscribers. I'm almost at 220. I'm chugging along here like little internet could. I'm not giving up. So, guys, like, subscribe, share this video with any and everybody you know, so I can get to 500 subscribers. And I will be happy. You're going to see some good videos this week. Stay tuned. Videos will be coming out back to back to back to back to back to back to back. You know how your girl be doing it. Okay? So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I am tired. I'm gonna go probably lay down, take a nap or something. I'm done. Yeah. I feel like going snuggling in on the couch. I just got my new comforter. Not a new comforter, but I got my comforter washed. So I'm gonna go lay my little buns on the couch and take a quick old nap. Okay, guys, I'm really gonna go. I still got my flowers. I wanted to put them in here, but I already put them in another video. They look so pretty and they still are blossoming. I'm so happy because, real quick, before I lived where I currently live, it was really dark at the last place I lived and I could never keep flowers. Although I'm not a green thumb on top of that. So like everything I had out killed. I had this beautiful flower that died because there was no sunlight coming in my windows. But now, as you can see, all that light coming through the back, I've been struggling with the light. I'm not in the right angle, but this is where I need to sit to do this video. And the sun is just not my friend. Anywho, I'm going to sign off. I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.